Hey guys, today is April 5th, 2021. Hey, just wanted to get going today. Um, Hope you guys had a great weekend. Hope it was a nice Easter weekend for you. You guys all got some rest and also had some fun. Um, okay, so just leaving off what we have already done. What I would like you guys to do. Uh, okay, so we're we're getting close to being finished up with this workshop. Okay, so if we go down here, you guys have already done this part. Okay, you've already done it. So we went through page 168. Okay, and we talked about a thesis and analyzing a thesis, and then how your details should support your thesis. Down here, you did some examples of Old Man Warner, and then yeah, both were Old Man Warner. Okay. Then you came over here and you came up with your two characters. Okay, you came up with topic sentences and then details to support your topic sentences. Okay, for your first character, and then your second character, topic sentence, details to support your topic sentence, and then your ending along with your thesis up here. Okay, what I would like you guys to do, so you guys should all have this completely filled out, right? What I would like you guys to do now is this part right here, the write your draft part. Okay, where it says type or write your draft on a separate piece of paper. Okay, so type or write your draft on a separate piece of paper. Um, so I think what I'll do, guys, is have you write this in Word, in a Word document, and then upload it to Canvas, okay, as a file. Basically, guys, just remember all you have to do is copy this, copy what you've done word for word. Okay, and if you see areas that you could improve on, well, I didn't really give enough detail right there. Okay, I'll add some more detail. Okay, kind of bump it up a little bit, make it a bit better. Okay, but basically today I want to see a draft written of your character analysis. Okay, of your two characters. Okay, that should be easy enough. Other than that, guys, I really don't need anything. We won't have a do now. We won't have anything like that. Anything else? Okay, so make sure that you get that done. Hey, I just wanted to once again I wanted to share that our last month, our March, as far as words read, was amazing. Okay, you guys did a great job. So I'm gonna make sure that we celebrate that. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. Let's make sure that you jump on and get some good student application in this week. Okay, let's try to get 12 to 15 minutes of that. And then make sure that you're finding more books. Let's keep on reading. Let's keep getting that word count way up there. Let's see. I'm just trying to think of other, some quick housekeeping things. This week, I think that we will take the reading assessment. Okay, and I really want to see improvement from everybody. Okay, that's my goal. I want to see reading improvement from every single person on their reading inventory assessment. Okay, we will probably take that on Wednesday, I'm thinking. Wednesday would probably be the best day. Those of you who don't show improvement, I'm going to have you retake that. I'm going to have you do it again, okay, in another month or so. Okay, those of you who do show me improvement, that will probably be the last time that we take it this year. Okay, so just keep working hard. I know we have testing coming up. We got a lot of different things, a lot of distractions during the springtime. So, and we're coming down the barrel. Okay, so we're getting close. So let's make sure that we're focused and that we're making some improvement. Okay, guys, thanks so much. I hope everybody is well, and please reach out if you have any questions. Thank you. Let's get this done, the draft, and get it turned in.